My name is Rabia Rashdi and I'm from Pakistan. I'm doing my PhD from University of Vigo. I'm doing my research stay in Sidious. I'm working on civil construction maintenance in urban infrastructure. So basically we collect the data with mobile mapping system, which is a process of collecting the data with different sensors mounted on it. So the technology is vast, it's increasing rapidly. So what we do is that we drive the van and we collect the data of the roads. And it will be used further in building information modeling and digital twins for the safety and maintenance of smart infrastructure. The country where I'm coming from, there's a stereotype that they say that, okay, it's a female, she should focus on medicine, not on engineering. Why? Because they think that they're not that competent as men. But I believe this is wrong. And I would encourage all the girls to come to science and technology because, they have this thing in their mind that, okay, if we go into mathematics, if we do some science and technology, there will be lots of men and I'll be the only girl. But they should not think in that way. They should be brave and they should have this thing in their mind that, okay, we cannot do as better as a man can do.